Hello everyone, mabuhay ug madayaw, and of course we are joined by of course the ones responsible for the World Travel Expo, which is now on its 10th year, which will be mounted here next month at Ayala Mall sa Brisa. We all welcome Ma'am Miles Caballero. Hello po.
Hello, mabuhay ug madayaw.
Yes, I'm so glad to see you again
Yes.
after sometime no. How are you, and how is of course preparing for the up and coming World Travel Expo here in Davao for next month?
Yes, actually we had the press con at our official hotel, si Grand Regal Hotel. So right now we are prepared now here in the activity center of Ayala Mall sa Brisa. So I'm inviting everyone once again to attend and visit the World Travel Expo here on May 15, 16, 17. So mall hours po tayo from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Yes.
So magkita-kita po ulit tayo dito sa Ayala Mall sa Brisa.
Yes, for the benefit of those who are not aware, and of course, I have been attending from the other venue from last year. But what is really about World Travel Expo, and what is the purpose of why our travelers here and abroad wanted to check the latest deals, and also mga venues, mga hotels, and everything goes in between po?
Yes, oo, because of the ongoing crisis, no? So, ang ine-encourage po namin everyone, of course, we don't stop traveling eh. So, that's our life pa rin na once in a while, pang-relax, pang-alis ng stress is we travel. So, we encourage everyone na if you're traveling sooner, or maybe later on para mas mababa ang tickets natin. So mas maganda if they will of course visit the event and avail of the packages. So dito magbabagsak sila ng discounts from 20 to 50% off. So pag naging masaya pa yung ating mga properties and also yung mga nasa travel agencies, they can extend the discounted price para hanggang matapos ang ating summer season.
Yes. For over a decade, I believe yung World Travel Expo.
Yes.
But of course, what is really the observation of our spectators and also those who wanted to plan on their travels ahead of time?
So, ayun nga, 10 years na siya. So, ang maganda dito, mga bago, every yearly, iba-iba yung dinidisplay namin and sino-showcase sa mga exhibitors. So this year, we have, once again, properties coming from Cebu and also Bohol, Palawan, Boracay. So yun yung naiiba from mga previous years. So dumadami ng dumadami, and especially here in Davao. So nag-iiba yung mga exhibitors na dinidisplay namin yearly. So of course, we're expecting to get more inquiries from our customers and also mga visitors this coming May 15 to 17.
Yes. Of course, the feedback din sa mga mga Davaoenos and non-Davaoenos na dumadayo dito in the past years na naka-mount dito sa Brisa Ayala Malls when every World Travel Expo. But what's the response and the feedback dun sa mga nag-plan sa kanilang mga travels, domestic and international?
Like before kasi very conservative yung ating market dito
Opo.
sa Davao. Pero ngayon na-open yung mind nila. So nakita nila yung mas maganda pala, especially this summer, no? Si World Travel dito sa Davao, every summer namin siya ginagawa. So at least nakaka-avail sila. Yung mga nagmamadali rin na makahabol for the summer, ito na yung best time for them to avail of this kind of event na we're putting it into one venue. Yung mga properties natin, at the same time, yung mga packages na ino-offer dito, domestic and also international. So, mas maganda pa rin, unahin natin yung domestic kasi maganda talaga ang Pilipinas. Pero, of course, dito sa Southern Mindanao, pwedeng yun ang gawin natin muna para sa nangyayaring crisis ngayon, tipid-tipid muna. So, mas maganda yung malapitan lang muna ang ating i-avail. Yes.
Okay, again, will you kindly invite our fellow Davaoenos and Mindanaoans, of course, na for the 3-day World Travel Expo here dito sa Davao, sa Ayala Mall sa Brisa po, Ma'am Miles.
Yes, ating mga ka-wanderers dito sa Davao, I'm inviting you once again to visit and attend the World Travel Expo this coming May 15, 16, and 17 here at the Activity Center of Ayala Mall, Sabrisa.